Unbeta Wanjanaru Gatangugi ni uni waziri wa agriculture, livestock na fisheries aja kaunti yetu ya Meru na narua tunakugurwa muno nontu bwa mubango juju tuyite kuthomithia viongozi bietu kana atongeria betu bonthe tumenyora tuike mubango juju cyo guchanja mang'ombe cietu na ara mashinani ndikenda tukomba gutethia arimi betu para barithagia no utukayukia ndate u yonthe antu bara bari na bakwenda ndawa cia guchanja mang'ombe ciao na tukabatetheria bonthe iturendereaga mubango juju indi tutina inya inene nontu turai na tubesha tukai na munene wetu His Excellency the Governor araniria na rais wetu patunengera vaccine 30,000 doses na ituramunta na ng'ombe indi nandi tukamunta ng'ombe chionde ile gwitwa mass vaccination ng'ombe chionde ile register na arimi bara bari register ng'ombe ciao tukabatetheria nontu bwangatonero iji turetete.
Leo tuko hapa tukifanya uhamasisho, tukifanya sensitization na training ya officers wa serikali ya county pamoja na wale wa serikali ya national government, both administrators, the ward administrators, the sub-county administrators. Then we have the DCCs and ACCs. Tunafanya hii mkutano ndio tuweze kabla ya kuanza ile intended mass vaccination ya mifugo yetu against foot and mouth diseases, because that has been of late imekuwa an issue within Meru, and I want to commend both the national government and the county government for this partnership. Ile tuko nayo is a partnership for a purpose.
My name is Dr. David Mugambi, County Director, Livestock Development, Meru. This is a good time in the history of Meru and Kenya in particular, because one, murimu wa foot and mouth disease, tutara mirimu wengi ntune mingi, ni murimu very costly. One, treatment kana basically treatment it is costly. Number two, it can also cause abortions. When the animal gets sick, it gets stressed and they can abort. Number three is about that animal that has been sick, you can't sell it for meat. Why? It has lost weight. No one would buy it for that. It will delay before it goes to the market. The other thing I want to talk about Meru is that although we have sent 268 animals and 710, we actually have more than 400 cattle in Meru. Some are not registered. And the value in Meru, our dairy animals alone, they are valued at 23 billion. Our milk per annum is valued at 20 billion. That's about 43 billion. If we are affected by this disease, the milk goes down, we lose some of the animals. Our beef animals are more than 200,000, the same case. So basically, for us to protect our lives and livelihoods, it is necessary for us to protect these animals in Meru.
I am with the Executive Office of the President in this project that we call PETS, which is the Presidential Economic Transformation Secretariat, as an advisor in the area of financial inclusion. And today we are happy to be here in Meru to come and sensitize the Merian and the leadership on the better, which we call the bottom-up economic transformation, and agriculture being one of the top priority key pillar in the national government manifesto. We are here to ensure that the rollout of the entire vaccination in the country takes place. Meru is among the first counties that has been picked to roll out this vaccination because of their preparatory aspect. They have been very at the forefront in terms of preparation. The county itself, as the devolved unit, is very well aligned to the national agenda of the government, and they have put in place all the necessary processes. And we have a total of almost 268,000 animals registered in the system that we call Kiamis, and therefore we are targeting the entire 268,000 animals for vaccination. So this vaccination is in line in ensuring that we become food secure, because our animals are going to be healthy. We are going to have animals that are well treated. there is a history of the animals.
Naitwa Odilia Ndeti. Mimi ni Deputy County Commissioner Imenti North na nikiwakilisha County Commissioner wa Meru. Tungependa kuwauliza wafugaji na wakulima wote waungane na sisi ili tuweze kuhakikisha kuwa vaccination imefanywa kwa mifugo wao. Mara nyingi tumesikia wakulima wakicomplain kuhusu diseases, lakini sasa serikali imekuja na hii rollout kuhakikisha wanyama wote wameweza kupata vaccine, kwa sababu mkulima mmoja akivaccinate zake na mwingine abaki, hatutaweza kufaulu. Tunaomba wakulima wote waweze kujitokeza mahali wataelekezwa ili waweze kuhakikisha wanyama wote, sana sana wale ambao ni ng'ombe, wameweza kupata hii chanjo na waweze increase value ya mifugo yao.